with Anthony Carey, the CEO of Cortex here at IRSA 2015. Anthony, it's so nice to see you here.
Thank you for having me here. It's a great show.
So tell us, what are you showing everyone here at IRSA 2015?
Well, it's not our first time here with the Cortex, but we are showing everybody some of our new programming. There's also people still just haven't seen it yet, so we want to get to those folks that haven't seen it yet. And we have a pre-production prototype, a proof of concept of a chair that we're getting feedback on too from all the big minds here at IRSA.
So you're not planning on launching this new product in 2015, but you are giving consumers the opportunity to try it here.
Absolutely. We want to get the feedback, see what people think and what it feels like, and if it's a viable product in the eyes of people that understand the human body.
I love that. So you're not just depending on technology to get feedback, you're actually getting firsthand word of mouth. But speaking of technology, how has that impacted your business?
Well, it's been really helpful, especially for our international customers, to be able to have an app that has our videos on it. So many people look at the Cortex and in some ways are overwhelmed by the possibilities, so they need a little direction. So having an iPhone app that they can pull up the videos, kind of search through lower body, upper body has been huge. In conjunction with that, from a marketing standpoint, we actually have a digital brochure, digital magazine that has video embedded and all that sort of thing. So it's a beautiful marketing piece that we do too. So that's been a huge help as well, because a product like this doesn't come off great in a flat photo. You got to see it move, right?
So what do you believe is the potential growth for Cortex in this market?
We got big plans. We're in the fitness field, but we're also in the rehab field, and so you get a little crossover at this as well. We do some physical therapy type shows as well, but internationally, we've just scratched the surface. There's so many people that still are seeing it for the first time and getting a chance to experience it, and for us, that just means lots of opportunity.
Now, as a fitness provider, manufacturer of fitness products, what do you feel is the biggest challenge in our fitness industry today?
Well, I think, and I'll use the Cortex as an example, the education around any product that's versatile, right? And then with the health clubs, there's unfortunately still a lot of turnover, right? So investing in education but maintaining staff becomes this catch-22. And so we've got to learn the ways that we can deliver education that's not dependent upon, live workshops that people are sitting through, but then maybe moving to another employer eventually too. So I think that's a big challenge, because we're going to get beyond just, as you can see around us, everything's not just selectorized equipment anymore.
Right. Now, as for the Cortex itself, if these consumers are not here at IRSA, which they should be, where can they find out more about your product and possibly purchase it?
CortexFitness.com.
Anything, if you could describe IRSA 2015, your booth, in one word, what would it be?
Jumping.
Jumping. For a jumping experience at 2015, come check out Cortex. Anthony Carey is here. He is here to answer your questions and give you the greatest fitness advice that Cortex has to offer.
So we've taken the Cortex technology and got a proof of concept here, putting it actually in a seat. And for ergonomic reasons, even we're looking at pelvic floor dysfunction and nursing moms and things that they can do with it, is all the motion. So we know people are going to sit no matter what, right? You're never going to take sitting away. Well, let's make sitting something productive. So I can do multi-dimensional things here, continue to move, stimulates my hips, my low back. I don't put the stresses that are on it in a normal sitting posture. If I have to, I can slouch. But then I can move some more too if I want to. Keep it going.